So children, did you listen to the poem carefully? You have to learn to recite the poem. But before you learn to recite, you should understand the poem also. So pay careful attention as teacher is giving you an explanation. This poem, written by the poetess Christina Rossetti, is about a bridge. Children, do you know what's a bridge? Yes, it is something that we use to go across from one bank of the river to the other bank of the river. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Boats are smaller in size, we know that, so they sail on the rivers. And ships, which are bigger in size, sail on the seas. Children, can you see this word S-A-I-L? Yes, this is sail. And when we say sail, it means moving across. So here the boats are moving on the river water and the ships are moving on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky, here we are talking about the clouds which are moving in the sky, are prettier than these. So the poetess Christina Rossetti tells us that even more prettier than the boats and the ships are the clouds that move in the sky. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. According to the poetess, the bridges that are built on the rivers are very pretty to look at. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. Here we are talking about a bow. Children, look at this picture carefully. And what is the shape of this picture? I know it is a very pleasing sight. It's the rainbow that we see in the sky. And how happy we are when we see a rainbow in the sky. But what is the shape of a rainbow? Yes, it is in the shape of a bow. Can you see this? Do you know an arrow and a bow? Yes. So the rainbow is in the shape of a bow. And Christina Rossetti tells us that the bow or the rainbow that bridges the heaven and builds a road from the earth to the sky is the most prettiest things on earth.